This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by freeing space and stopping immediate slowdowns. Delete unused apps and move photos or videos to cloud or an SD card. You need at least 1 to 2 gigabytes free. Once done, turn off or reduce system animations in developer options to make transitions instant. Then restart your phone to clear temporary processes and caches. This gives you an immediate responsiveness boost. Make sure to close background-heavy apps before moving to deeper cleanup. Now you tackle background resource usage and unnecessary services. Go into app settings and force stop or disable apps you never use. If uninstalling isn't possible, disable them so they no longer run. Next, limit background activity and battery access for resource-hungry apps. This reduces CPU and RAM pressure over time. Finally, swap large apps for their light or web versions and restrict background data where acceptable. This lowers. Finish by updating your system and apps. Updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes that restore speed. If a particular app still misbehaves, clear its cache or reset app preferences to remove corrupted settings. If problems persist after all optimizations, back up your data and consider a factory reset as a last resort. This removes deep software clutter. Troubleshooting tip: if speed drops after an update, boot into safe mode to isolate a problematic app before resetting or reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.